I'm Donna. I'm an office manager at Kent CareMed Wellness Clinic. Today we're going to talk about the TENS machine. This machine is used to desensitize yourself to pain in a targeted area. For me, it's generally my arm right here because I'm on the mouse quite a bit. So we're going to set up our pads today opposite sides. We've got channel 1 and a channel 2. These are what the leads look like. So we've got one set of black and a red on each end. And with these, you're going to attach them to these pads. Now these pads are sticky on one side, which sticks to your skin. You make sure you do a black and a red, one in each. I would suggest doing one set of leads first and then the second set, just so you don't get them all tangled up. So there, I've attached them. Now I'm going to peel it off very gently from the side. You don't want to yank on the cord part because you're going to disconnect the leads. So we'll peel it up like so. So I've got one off. Now this one I'm going to put above where my pain is. So I'm in this way. We're going to put the red above and the black below. That's the black one. So now the black one's going to go below right here. So that's the first lead, which we're going to call 1. For our second lead, which we're going to call 2, we're going to do the same setup. So I'm going to connect the lead to the pad, red and then black. Again, remove them carefully. You don't want to mess up the stickiness. Put this one. So this is going to go opposite of where my pain is. So make sure that they're attached firmly. Again, just from the corner, very gently. Don't need to tug. And we'll do this one here. So now that they're all there, if you will notice, lead 1 is black-red, lead 2 is black-red, opposite to each other. Now in your box, you're going to receive this, which is your TENS machine. So at the top, you'll see there's 2 holes. One is for 1, one is for 2. So we'll attach one of them to this side. And then we will attach the other one to the other side. So now they're both in there. Perfect. And you open up down here, like so, and this is where you control it. So this is the power. We're going to turn it on. So there, and you'll see it's a nice bright screen. On here, we have the body, back and front. Now I'm going to press program, which will tell me what area of the body. It does say TENS at the top. You want it to make sure it says TENS. If it doesn't say that, hold the program button for 3 to 4 seconds and it'll change to TENS. So on this one, we are working on my wrist area. So for me, it's a P4. In the little pamphlet, it does tell you the numbers and what body part it corresponds to. So we'll go to P4. There we are. So P4 is set. So now you open this little thing. These controllers at the top control each of these leads. You must ensure that each time you set this, that each lead is at the same number at the bottom. So for one of them, I'm going to just turn it up. And you see that it goes up. So right now, we're at lead 2 is at 3, right here. And I'm going to do lead 1 to 3 also. Whoa. And I just felt that. So there we are. So now I'm feeling it from both. As you get used to the stimulation, like say 10 minutes, you can adjust the frequency higher. So this is desensitizing yourself to the pain that you're feeling in your targeted area. It is very helpful. I do have to warn you, do not put this near your heart, near any parts of your body that you may have cancer in. Do not put it near a pacemaker, any open wounds. If you have any kind of infection or rash, and not in any part of your body that it shouldn't be near, which would be your private area. I hope that this is very helpful because it does help me in my quest for pain relief from using the mouse daily. And if you have any questions, please ask your practitioner and they will gladly help you out. Keep in mind that your TENS machine may be covered by your personal health insurance. Please contact your insurance company for more information. Thank you.